Hey everyone, it's Clayton here with a quick unboxing vid of the HD Vario JVC camcorder. It's the GZ-HM30. There is the 4 different colors you can pick from, although they only had black when I went in because it's right around Christmas right now and all their stock is low as hell. They barely have anything, so there's just a quick overview of the box. Now, let's actually get into the actual box now. For a valued customer, warranty card, user manual, and software, which I'm not exactly sure what is on here. Just says it's application CD-ROM, so whatever comes on there. So we have the charger that I believe you'll plug this into the actual camera and then plug that into the wall. Here is the battery. So it says that it has 1.5 hours of charge. So hopefully that's actually true. Here's your mini USB cable. And the component cable, I believe. So yeah, that's component cable. I believe that plugs into the camera somewhere. I'll check for the port in a second. So here's the actual camera. I paid $229 for this from Future Shop in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada. So let's get the battery and put that in there, actually. Where the hell does that go in there? Oh, there we go. Okay. So, camera looks pretty nice. Access power, I'm assuming that will be the lights, and you have your volume and your zoom. You have your record. What the hell is that? I'm assuming that's a focus button, and that's your record button. Feels pretty nice in my hand. It's really light. You can see it also has a camera tripod mount. And here is the actual port for your HDSC. I believe it also takes XD or HDSD or whatever the hell they're called. I don't know. They take pretty much all the SD cards that are available right now. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, there's the actual plug where you plug in your charger, and you have your component that will plug into there. Your USB cable plugs into here, and the HDMI plugs into there. So you can actually plug a mini HDMI cable into here and then plug it into your TV. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe.